Welcome to my channel, Rahman Digital Production. As we all aware of the fact that computer is the most advanced and fast-growing technology in the world. In fact, computerization process in Pakistan geared up in 1986 when the government of Pakistan lifted ban on the import of computers. Through this liberal import policy, Pakistan could enter the revolutionary world of personal computer. Taking that aspect and we have created our channel, which will provide you the services of e-commerce, mathematics, physics, and computer science. We are a team of dedicated professionals which will provide you a quality education as our motto is to provide you quality education, not quantity of the education. My name is Zahoor Rahman, and I have a vast experience of 30 years of teaching in different universities of the world. If you subscribe my channel, you will have an access to the free courses and you will enjoy your stay. If you are a professional and want to be in the bunch of professionals, please subscribe my channel. I can bet that you will enjoy your stay here. Once you subscribe, you will see that how professionally we are making your career. Another aim of this channel is to grow our economy and train the community. So, for this particular purpose, around the world and especially Pakistani community, I want them to subscribe my channel and help us in this noble cause. We will do our efforts and you will do your efforts. As the poet said, well, मौज बढ़े या आंधी आए दिया जलाए रखना है घर की खातिर सौ दुख झेले घर तो आखिर अपना है. This is our home and we have to increase the image of Pakistan around the world. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you get the latest and updated videos. Thank you. Allah